years and years, every spring. Spend a day, clean the sides, polish the sides, apply wax or sealant, apply 2 coats of VC17 below the water line. About a day for the buff and wax, half a day for the VC17. Titania has saved me that. Now, all I do is wipe down the sides with all-purpose cleaner and she's ready to go in the water.